Hey, good afternoon, guys. Sorry, I am been caught up with a lot of work. So let me quickly start today the decoding session for Bank Nifty futures. Current time is 1:07, and today is Wednesday, the 26th of July, 2023. Okay, so what's happening currently? What's the current context? So let me just quickly share my screen, and yesterday for me 46,000 was the level where supply has been shut off, and today again 46,000 is the level where we had a retest, and now we are just developing above the 46,000 level. Yeah, so 46,000 is still intact, and that's where supply is shutting off. Currently we are still in a balancing mode. Let me just see. Yeah, it is telling me trend up, but overall I am seeing that the algo is telling me that it's in an uptrend, and the reason is because it's still developing its one time framing, and now the one time frame has broken. But 1, 2, and 3 previous 3 bars, if you see, it was one time framing higher, and now there is some balancing activity ongoing, and we are still, yeah, so overall we are just balancing, and below 45,754 is the zone where the supply is trapped. So there are trapped supply here, again trapped supply below 46,000 levels. Okay, so overall the buying which is happening, or which has been seen, right? So currently we are seeing some buying at the VWAP. So this is the VWAP level, and what we see above that is where there is some buying retention, some buying activity happening. We did hit a trapped buyer, so 46,000 is the area where the trapped buying is seen, and again we are still just developing around this. So 46,000 to 45,900, yeah, we are still in this 100-point range, and now I'm looking to see whether it breaks the low or breaks VWAP or not. But overall, put inventory is short, call inventory is long from the OI data. Let me just check my, yeah, so 45,800, I'm looking at 45,800 call and 46,200 put. And if I look at it, yeah, call is long, put is short. So overall, the auction is bullish. We are now tagging the VWAP, and the current inventory, if you see, we are long, but not too long. We are just balancing in a 100-point range. No much major changes are seen, is happening in the current auction. But if I look from the order flow, right, we have got trapped buyers, or the stops which were at 46,000, that is intact now. I'm looking whether it tags the 4658. Because now it is developing below the previous. Is it developing below? But no, it is developing around the POC. So this is the developing point of control. I'm waiting for it to break and see whether it reaches the 45,906 level, because this is where again there are stops, and there are also trapped buyers, trapped sellers who will be looking to responsively buy. Okay. Currently I'm looking to take a long. 265 is the price of 45,800 call. Stop loss is 256. Yeah, so 265, 256, that's an 11-point stop loss. So I'm just looking at that trade, but overall I am looking, odds are higher that the VWAP might break, but overall the inventory is long, auction is still long, there are trapped supply below VWAP. Again some buying, trap buying is seen. So now the call is at 267, 265. Yep, call is rising. 268, 269, 270, and I'm out. So just, yeah, I'm out, because that was just a simple test trade, because I was testing whether this VWAP is getting broken or not. Okay. Yeah, so my inflection point is VWAP. We are just hovering around VWAP. And overall we are having a balanced day. So if you see, we are just balancing, but the good thing is we are developing within this composite. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 days composite market profile. We are still developing in this range. This is the balance low, this is the balance high, this is the value area low, this is the value area high, and we are developing above the value area low. That's where the supply is shutting off. The target is the composite point of control, that is at 46,065. That is the target, and the next target where I'm expecting supply is 46,212. Yeah, so this is where there is supply coming in, this is where there is supply shutting off. It is just hovering around the developing point of control and also the VWAP. We are having a 45-degree angle. We also have a spike. So basically we had a spike yesterday. So this is a spike level. This is a sign indicating that there is a seller, there is supply present in this band. Okay. So the destination which I'm looking at is 46,065. Currently the supply is shutting off at the developing point of control, and we are still developing below the previous candle low. Okay. Call inventory is still long, put inventory is short. So the OI inventory is suggesting me that it is a bit bullish. Yeah, that was a quick scalp trade which I was able to spot, but yeah, there is no momentum. You know, we are just hovering around a specific price. Okay, so we are still balancing. Good amount of buying delta seen here. So why is it not developing lower? Yeah, it is developing above. It is not going to go high because there is a resistance zone. So 4610 and 46,000 are major resistance zones. People will be trying to short, keeping their stop loss above 4620 or 46,000 level. We are now having stacked buyers. Okay, I'll just delete this. We're just hovering. Okay, so the new period has started. So this is going to act as a level of support now, and I'm still expecting sideways development, because if this level fails, right, or if this low breaks, then continuation or auction will develop lower. If this level sustains, then the odds are that we will be continuing higher, and the target is 4658. Again, call inventory is long, put inventory is short. Put inventory short means they are bullish. You know, overall auction is bullish. 45,800 call is still at 268. It went to 271. Again, it is just chopping around 260 to 270, that 10-point range. And there is some announcement today, right? Fed or something. Today there is crude oil. Yeah, there is a interest rate decision. So the forecast is, so they are going to increase. So that's what people are forecasting, about 5.5%. The current is 5.25. So 25 basis point is, you know, what they are expecting. And today there is this interest rate decision is coming in. So that's why, you know, I'm not expecting a major up move. We are balancing. So in anticipation of the event, you know, what you can do is you can trade the value, right? So what I mean by is value area high and value area low. Value area high is where you can expect supply, value area low where you can expect demand. And, you know, just so this is the value area low and this is the value area high. So we are moving above, but supply will be coming in, and the reason is because we have a resistance zone. So 46,000 is the level of resistance. Let me just go to the smaller time frame. Yep. So this is the overall range for today. Supplyometers shared. It is not even touching the green line. Okay, and we had a bounce back at previous day's mid and slowly, yeah. So again, a sideways development. And if I look at this zone, right, the entire auction is just in this particular range. Yeah, so choppiness is seen. I'm looking at the current order flow. Delta is positive, but it's just 517, 520. This is a resistance level. Let's see whether it breaks, it holds, it breaks. What's the reaction? Because I am seeing seller present here. So it went exactly to the value area high, and now it is trying to move lower. Okay. So no momentum seen, and it will be a stop hunting day today. So just be careful, because today is an eventful day in US because of the Fed decision. Okay, so the delta is reducing. So supply is coming in. Earlier it was 520, now it's 511. Okay. Yep, put is inventory is still short, call inventory is still long. Okay, so some trapped buyers coming in. Come on, we should have continuation higher, because this is a resistance zone. This is where supply will be coming in, and this is also a psychological level, 46,000. Okay, 46,000 is still there. If you saw, we had supply 1, supply 2 from the price action perspective. Again, it is trying to reach there. So now I'm looking for supply to come in. Okay, this is the zone, 46,000. In fact, it's a good opportunity to buy a put rather than a call. But yeah, just looking at this level, because the trade setup which is developing is more of bearish, even though the OI data is telling me it is bullish. But from the price action, right, there is a seller here, and what we have is a trend line. So I'm expecting a quick fall. So let's see, it won't happen immediately, but yeah, let's see. Okay, 46,004. Okay, do we get a short covering? Let's see. Again, trap buyer. Now it should reach higher. So let me go to the higher time frame chart. 46.58 is the zone where I'm expecting the price to move. 46.58. Okay, so this is somewhere around here is where I'm expecting the auction to reach. So I'm expecting supply to come here. We already have got some trapped buyers. It should continue higher because there are stops above the C period high. Okay, so short covering move is happening. So do we get a supply at this exactly at C period high? The auction has stopped, and this is also a zone of resistance because there are trapped buyers. So people who bought here, right, they are the ones who are selling and who are exiting. Okay. If this level, if price sustains above this, this is a good opportunity for long. If it fails, then look for downward. So it is failed. Now expect downward continuation. Let's see whether we see that or not. Okay, we are not able to move above. So I'm just looking at this. We're not able to move above this particular level. And where we are in the spike. So this is where supply is present. So what I mean by spike is this. So let me zoom in. But this is the spike reference, what I'm talking of. This is where a seller is present. We have a poor high. Supply is coming in. Now the destination target is the POC, the developing point of control. So mean reversion opportunity is taking place. And I again missed buying the put at 271. It is now at 293, 295. But that's fine. Okay, so we are still 20 minutes left for the new period to start, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Yeah, it should reach, failure to reach this level, then market generates. So market is itself telling me that there is supply present, and this is the spike reference. Okay, so what we have now is the delta confirming trapped buyers. This is going to act as a resistance. Some choppiness will be seen, but the destination trade is towards VWAP or towards the developing point of control. Yeah, this is the POC VPOC is where I'm expecting the price to go. Okay, I'll delete this. So you also have to ask who is buying at exact level at 46.40. Yeah, and why there aren't any more buyers, or who is selling at 46.40? That's the question. Why isn't the price moving higher? Okay, again we are still in this range. Now put inventory is still short. Put is telling me that auction is going to develop higher. Call inventory is long. Okay, so I'm looking to see the price to reach at this level. This level is still holding. This is the resistance. So it is trapping some folks, but I am seeing trapped supply at this level. Okay, just hold on. Resistance is pink, support is steel, and thickness is 2. Okay, let me see. Now I'm getting, sorry, I was just experimenting with this. So we are still developing above the 46,000 level and 45,900. This is that level. Okay, so overall we are just in this 100-point range. I want this level to be broken. It's not yet getting broken. Okay, so you're seeing it live, how I'm decoding the markets using delta order flow with the structure, with the price action, and with my levels. Okay, so Supply is shutting off below 46,000. That's a good sign from the buyers or from the bulls. Put premium, put is falling fast, so that's a good sign. Put is short, call is long, that again a bullish sign. More buyers are coming in. We are just trading above 46.18. Let's see, because the supply zone is also suggesting me that supply is coming in. This is a level where supply is gonna come in. It has broken. Now expecting continuation. The next destination is 46.58. That's destination 1, and the next destination is the A period high. This is where supply is present. Again, they are taking the price lower. They are coming. Yeah, still we are just flat, right? Just 1.9k. Still moving lower. Again, the price looked above and is moving. Again, a short covering seen now. Now continuation should be seen. Now I'm looking at 46.58. So we have a good breakout. Yeah, this is where a breakout level is, but yeah, supply is still coming in. Yep, nothing is there from the mean reversion side. Yep, this level is still holding. So we had a good look above the C period high and we are developing below it. Come on, go towards 46.58 because that's where I'm expecting supply. Let me bring in the essential levels. This is where I'm looking for supply. Call premiums are falling, so 319 to 303. Put premiums are rising. And this is also a balance zone here, 46.58. Yes, it coincides. Let me see the session volume profile. And this is the value area high, current value area high. This is the current POC. Now I'm looking at the intensity of the fall which is happening now. This is a good zone to short, keeping your stop loss above 46.25, targeting the low and the VWAP. Yep, it would still take some time. 46.25 is hit, and after hitting it is moving lower. Okay, we are not seeing continuation higher. Now I'm looking for supply at 46,000 level because that is a psychological line. We had broken above it, there is supply present. More buyers are getting trapped. Okay, now we are also getting supply. So we have got buyers, we have got trapped sellers. So it is just gonna chop and it is at 46,000 level. This is 4610. I'm looking for continuation lower. I'm waiting for, because there are stops at 46,000, right? They will be getting hit, and there are these trapped sellers. Yep. Very difficult market to hold or to be in a trade. So today I have not taken any trades because it's not meeting any of my business, or it's not meeting any of my conditions. This was one trade, but yeah, SL did got it, but I'm expecting continuation lower. But it's not breaking the 46,000. It's not even trying to reach there. There is some buying happening here. Okay, so good trade location is look below 46,000 and fail. So what I mean is, does it look below and fail, or does it look below, retrace, and then continues lower? Yeah, this is the trade plan which now I'm looking for. Yeah, there is buying happening. Supply is getting absorbed. Okay, does it reaches the 4658 level? Where is the POC? Here is the POC, here is the sell level. Okay. Here is the median line. Okay. Okay, come on. It's been 10 minutes left. So now in next 10 minutes when the auction is going to open, right, this is going to act as a level of resistance if the price is developing below. So price is going to move here and then it will retrace and come lower. Yeah, it will now try to see. So now what we see is trapped supply, trapped buyers. Still there is some choppiness seen, right? So again, I'm waiting for 46,000 and I want to observe the reaction at 46,000 level. Put inventory is short, call inventory is long. OI data is telling me that inventory is long, inventory is bullish. It is developing above 46,000 level. Do we get a breakout? We are still at 1.66. Come on, it is trying to go up, but still there is a seller. There is a supply seen. And if I just scroll right, if I just put a line here, you're seeing the price action, right? This is the zone of supply. Okay, so you have to be smart enough. You have to understand where the seller is. Now what it has done is, again it is trying to go up. But the call premium is falling, put premium is rising. So trapped buyer, trapped seller. Okay, so this is a no trade zone. POC has moved higher. Now that's a good sign. This is where the highest volume has been transacted. People are exiting at this particular level. Now I'm looking for continuation higher, right, based on the current price action, because we are developing above the 46,000 level. There is a buyer at 46.22, so I'm expecting continuation higher. So in next 7 minutes the candle should be above this level, because it's going to act as a level of support and then it will continue, yeah, based on the delta. Okay, so if you have any questions, do let me know, or else we'll just observe the current auction development. Okay, it is not breaking this level now. So what it is doing is it is inviting those who trade price, right? It is inviting them. They also know, even the algos knows that there are a lot of, this is a support zone. So they are expecting price to move above, and they will be keeping the stop loss. Some stop losses will be here, some stop losses will be here, some at half back, some at this candle low, some at VWAP or below VWAP. Okay, so what is happening is trade management or risk adjustment. So here are where the stops are getting built. Okay, they are going long. Stop loss 1, stop loss 2, stop loss 3, stop loss 4, stop loss 5, stop loss 6, stop loss 7. These are the zones where all the stops are present. Yeah. So Kamal, yes, we can't cross that high. That's correct. Okay, we are just hovering. We are just chopping in this zone. And again, the reason is this is a spike. If you look from the structure, right, this is a supply zone. This is a single print. If you see, there is just a single print, and this is where supply is present. We have got some again trapped buyers, and overall nothing has changed much. This is the supply zone. This is again where sellers are present, or they will be coming in. But in order to reach there, I want them first to hit the 46.58. So again, the price has moved lower. It moved below for the 46.8, and again it is moving higher. Yeah. So what I'm seeing is some price stability. Where am I seeing the price stability? Above 46,000 level. Yeah. Now I'm looking at tempo. So there are stops below 46,000 level. Put premiums are increasing, call premiums are decreasing. That doesn't mean you should take a short. Wait for the price. So observe the reaction at 46,000 level, because what it is going to do is it is going to trap people here. It will show that it is reaching here. Then again you will get a short covering, because the next level is at 46,100 and 46.58. Okay, so again we are just chopping. So now seeing some continuation. It did look above, so it should develop lower. Yeah, it's still chopping in this range. This is now becoming a resistance zone with stops below 46,000. Okay, so let's see whether we get continuation lower or not. This is telling me there is supply. This is confirming of supply. This is again confirming of supply. Yep, now we are developing lower. So we should have continuation. Let's see, it is again around the half back. So 46,000, it did got tagged. The low is 46,001. Okay, this low should be broken. 46, this low is 46,001.75. So we have a higher low. Okay, so now that's what I'm saying, that you have to be very careful. Again, supply is present here, so they will be again adding in and they will be trying to take the auction lower. So 46,200 put is trading at 286 rupees. Okay, supply is coming in. Let's see where is the bid and where is the ask. So here is where the seller is. Okay, as it move higher, seller is coming in. They are taking the price lower. So we'll just observe this auction, how the candle is getting formed. So more buyers are getting trapped here now. So there is a seller. This is who are going to act as supply. Okay, so now this zone has become into a resistance zone or supply zone. $46,200 is still at 285. There are stops below 46,000, so there is liquidity here. There are trapped buyers, so we will be seeing some responsive buying below 46,000 level. Okay, I'm just looking at this, right, whether it crosses this zone or not. What is the high? High is 46.16. This is 46.20, 21. Okay, 46.22. Come on. Put is still at 284. Again, supply is there, sitting there. Supply is coming in there. Put is now at 282. So 287, 285, 282. Okay, so seller is there. Okay, so the new period has started and now we should see a drop. That's the expectation because this is a resistance zone. Put is still now at 287. It's not seeing a major rise. 286. 288, 289. So the first area where there were stops, right? So this is taken out, this is taken out. Now the next destination is this low, the VWAP and the stops below VWAP and also at the previous close. Yeah, thank you, Kamal. So now we are dropping now. So now it is going to see the tempo which is coming in, hit the stops, clear this, hitting again the stops. And the 46,200 put is now trading at 314. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, that you have to be very careful, you know, how you analyze and how you decode. Okay, start observing. Okay, because I was not expecting continuation higher because the price action was telling me that there is supply present, and this was a nice clean sweep of liquidity, and now it has broken the 46,000 level and we should see continuation lower. Where it stopped is exactly at the previous I period low, right? So there is a responsive buying happening. It is going to break now. It has broken. Now it is going below VWAP. Now I'm looking for this level. So does it go below H period low? The 46,200 put is now at 320, which earlier we were supposed to buy at 285. Okay, so it has hit all the stop losses. So it has hit the stop losses below VWAP, and now again some balancing is happening. Okay, So I hope you understood how I use the market generated information and take the trades. Now I have not taken any trades, but I'm just looking at the charts. I have got two screens, and yeah, but I will be starting to take trades from next month onwards. Okay, because I'm having some broker issues and slippages and all that. Yes, I need to fix that, and I'm currently signing up with a new broker, and it is also taking its time. But yes, I'm happy that I was able to understand the auction, how it is developing, and where I'm not saying it I'm able to predict, but why is the price is moving lower. So now any retracement towards 46,000 is the resistance. So let's see, because it has hit the stops, it will balance, it will move higher. Does it look above and fail, or does it look above and continue? So but this trade is one good trade, which I basically focus upon. Okay, so yeah, thank you once again. Do like, share, subscribe, and let me know in your comments if you have any questions. And thank you for the live people who have joined the live session. Okay, thank you once again. And tomorrow is expiry, so just take care. And tonight there is a Fed decision. And again, we are still in a balanced state, so just be extra cautious and don't take any overnight positions. So thank you once again, and I'll see you live tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Take care. Thank you.